The philosophy of the products we have at Inrotech is that it has to be simple and has to be very practical. Small and mobile flexible solutions. You can move them around in the production to the job. You don't have to move the job to the robots. We have our own innovative technology, and this technology we have implemented in a product mixed by robots, welding capability and mechanical equipment. When we install products at our customers' production, it is still the welders who are the operators. We educate them within half an hour, and it is so easy to use that everybody can do it. Back at Odense's steel shipyard Lindø, they realized that working with the robot technologies they have for welding the ship, there was still a demand for a special technology that could do something different. Smarter, smaller, flexible, mobile, and that's where the founder of Inrotech, Flemming Jørgensen, came up with this technology, which is today the foundation of the Inrotech company. What we do for our customers at Inrotech is actually we add to their production three main issues. We help them by improving quality in their welding process. We add on capacity and resources, and we give them a big degree of flexibility because our products can be available 24/7 or they can be unavailable very easily. Inrotech is placed in the middle of Denmark in a town called Odense, and we are actually here of several reasons. First of all, the robot supplier we use is Fanuc, the world's biggest manufacturer of robot technology. It's a Japanese company. They have their Danish office in Odense, and we also have, in general, a very big university with all kinds of good educations that is important for us. We have one of the best robot technology educations in Europe, actually. For Inrotech, it's important that we have this supporting value chain in Odense, that we have interesting companies around us that also work with robot technologies, that also can challenge us and challenge the development of different parts of robot technologies, which can be useful for us as well. So we can meet, join forces, research together with the universities or in the clusters, but in general just develop our companies for the global market which we're in.